If you're experiencing Safari crashing on your iPhone after an iOS update, it can be quite frustrating. This issue is often caused by software bugs, cache problems, or compatibility issues. Here are steps to troubleshoot and fix the problem. So let's get started. Solution 1. Restart Safari. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app switcher. Find Safari in the list of open apps. Swipe up on the Safari app preview to close it. Now restart your iPhone. Right after, reopen Safari and check if the issue persists. Solution 2. Clear Safari cache and website data. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down and tap Apps, scroll down and find Safari. Now scroll down, tap Advanced, tap Website Data, tap Remove All Website Data. This can help remove any corrupted data that may be causing crashes. Solution 3. Disable Safari extensions. Scroll down to Safari, tap Extensions. Toggle off any active extensions or remove them. Extensions may interfere with Safari's functionality. Solution 4. Check for software updates. Open Settings, scroll down and tap General, tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Sometimes Apple releases patches for bugs in recent updates. After an iOS update, if the problem persists, consider reaching out to Apple support for further assistance.